Hi, my name's Suzanne Presley, and I'm an attorney with the law firm of Pyke & Associates.
And I'm Brittany Watkins, the firm's annual maintenance program coordinator.
We're so excited to be able to talk to you today about AMP.
What we have discovered is that when we initially meet with our client, if they have an estate plan drafted previously, that it is way out of date. It could be 5, 10, even 20 years old. And what we have discovered is that even if we are the firm that prepared your estate plan, you aren't keeping it current.
So AMP was designed to address that issue. What happens when you come and execute your estate plan? Well, you've met with one of the attorneys. We've talked about what your situation is. We know what the laws are. And so that estate plan, when you come in to sign it, it's exactly what you want. But maybe that was 5 or 10 years ago.
Right. And a myth in estate planning is that if you have a will, that your will is good forever. And we know that is not the case.
The same thing is true about a trust. Although those documents may still be valid, there could be changes in the law. And here's another issue that we run into. There's this idea that because a law is public record, everyone should know about it. But that's not right. Because we know that you're not reading the Georgia Code or federal regulations. That's not something that's part of your daily reading. However, with AMP, it's an insurance policy. You're ensuring that our firm is not only going to read it, we're going to address your estate plan. We're going to make the changes that make sure that your estate plan is up to date.
Absolutely. And so what we do with the AMP program is that we have proactive communications with each of our clients. We make sure that they are aware of the law changes, that we are aware of the changes in their family dynamics, and that we have prepared estate plan adjustments to meet those objectives and to be in accordance with current law changes.
So that happens over time. So as a member of AMP, you have an annual renewal. The fees are $295 for an individual or $395 for a married couple. So you join AMP. A year from now, you get a renewal. When you get that renewal, we've looked at your file. One of the things that our clients really like is that when we've looked at your file, you're going to get a summary of what your estate plan says. You're also going to get a call from our office that says, we know that there are changes in the law. If that's true, we've created the documents that effectuate those changes. It's time for you to come in and sign.
The annual maintenance program really was designed with our clients' peace of mind at the forefront of the program. We wanted to make sure that our clients knew on an annual basis that their estate plan was being looked at and coordinated, and in a way in which they could do that with minimal effort on their part.
It also entitles you, your membership in AMP, to an annual meeting with our firm, and we really encourage that you do that.
That's right. We want to build relationships with our clients. And when that is most important is when your family has experienced a death or incapacity of a loved one. We want you to have the confidence that you are going to come in and work with people that you have a relationship and a familiarity with. And the annual maintenance program is a great vehicle to provide that relationship.
So the way it works is that when you're a member of AMP, you're going to come in and meet with us on a regular basis if you choose to. There's not an additional charge to that meeting. That allows us to know what's going on in your life. We prompt you with the right questions. You might not know that that new grandbaby is important for us to know about, or that your daughter's divorce could affect the estate plan as well. But it allows us to talk and get to know one another. It also means that when you do have a situation in life, like Brittany mentioned, it's a little less overwhelming. When we know that over time we have a really good picture of what your finances are, where your accounts are, we know a little bit about your family, and you've met with us regularly enough, and we're not having to address an outdated estate plan. It really is insurance, but you're lucky, and so are we, because there's also a lot of benefits. One of those is that we get to know you better, but it also means that when you get to know us, that means that you have a dedicated email. You also have a dedicated phone line. We also have appointments on the calendar just for our AMP clients.
That's right. The exclusivity of the annual maintenance program is one of our favorite parts. We really wanted it to be a concierge type program. So not only are you ensuring your estate plan is current and up to date, but you are also being serviced at a level that is really exclusive to our AMP members.
So we hope that you've learned a little bit more about AMP today. And if you don't already know that membership is right for you, give us a call or look on the website and learn a little bit more. Come in and meet with us. We'd love for you to join our program.